My name is Kelton. I'm in welding.
What are your thoughts on welding?
Well, it's a safe job. It's a highly paid job too.
Take it up as a career?
Yes, I would take it up as a career.
Would you prefer it to anybody else?
Yes,
Why?
because it's like every company has something to do with welding. Everything in life has something to do with welding.
How do you feel about the safety of welding?
Well, generally it is pretty safe if you got the right equipment and stuff.
All right, thank you.
Oh, my name is Raekwon, and I'm in welding class.
What are your thoughts on welding?
It's a good thing. It's fun, you know. It's hot. It's dangerous,
17 big
and I like it though. And you get money from it.
Take it up as a career?
Yeah. You get paid above minimum wage, so that's a good thing. It's a career you need. Everything involves welding. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. If you want a good job that pays well, do welding. You know, girls can do it too. Underground welding, underwater welding. You can do airplane welding, on the ground welding, all type of welding. You always supposed to keep your safety goggles on. I don't know why I took them off though. Like something could have just hit me in my eye anytime.